What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got PW in the building. We're about to check out his work of art. Stay tuned, it's coming right up, and welcome to another view into Huck's world. What's up? Welcome back to another video, and today, yes, we got PW back in the building again, and this guy is bringing new flavor. He's raising the bar, and his watch face looks beautiful. I'm liking this one, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called PW76, and PW, continue to do your thing, my friend. This watch face is off the charts as well. Now, in always on mode, you're gonna get a digital readout of your time, and also you're gonna get your step status info, which is pretty cool to be able to see at a glance if you're exercising. Now, when the watch face is turned on, I'm liking the analog hands on this watch face. Haven't seen anything like it before. I like the way that it kind of glows into the hands. It's very nice, and you get the best of both worlds. So for those of you all who like a digital readout, here it is right here. Now I need to tell you that this watch face is going to be affordable in the Gear Manager store. Check this out after the video. Now at the top, you're going to get your year, your date, your day. Flanked on both sides of that, you're going to get where you can tap into your music and your weather. You come down, nice digital readout of your time, PM stamp. Also information on your steps, calories burned, your heart rate information. Flanked on both sides of that would be your goal completed so far as your steps, and you get your battery information. So I'm liking the look of this, and it is interactive. If you tap on the right, you will be able to get into your music and your weather, which I like. Weather is important to me. And you got a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch right there. PW did a great job with this watch face. Now what I'm going to do is double tap in the center, and I can change the color thing of this watch face, and you get several. Matter of fact, plenty to choose from depending on your decor, what you're wearing for the day, and also your favorite color. Whatever your favorite color is, you can just set it on that and go on about your business for the day. But I'm telling you, this watch face offers a lot for the price. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And make sure you share this with other people. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe. It is okay today. And with that being said, you all, I really enjoyed doing this video. PW, continue to do your thing, my friend. You will always be family with us. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm out of here. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.